This is the Halloween costume that we made. I designed it. I came up with the concept and designed it, and then my mom made it. As you can see, there is a strobe light right here. It's just a little bicycle strobe. Fire lettering down here, and this is just electrical tape. The black is electrical tape, the red and white are duct tape, actually. Now, we move back in here. There's a hole. There. You can see my MT here, so I can have that to provide audible, and I've also got access to the light button, the strobe button. So now, I'll get it on. I'll put it on here. Whoa. Strap. Not sure what that was. Now, let's see, gotta get to the button here. So now I got the strobe going, and then if I had a battery, I could get the MT going. And I've got it. I've had the MT set so I can have a button. Now there's straps. Let's see. Now these straps here are what allow me to... Whoa! And the straps came undone. But anyways, it's what allows it to stay on top of me, basically. I'll see if I can get the MT going here. Take the battery, my detectors, and this thing's gonna slide down since the straps have come undone. And uh-oh, the wires came undone. Let us see here. Sorry about this, folks. Okay. Now I'll get it back up. Put the battery up. And I've got it hooked up to a switch here. It's from a 270 SPL station. So that's my fire alarm costume. And the straps are coming undone all the way.